So hi everyone, how are you? I hope you are doing great. So this video I am going to share with you how can learn English. And first of all, I want to tell you, you look at me and your mind is one thought, because I am Marwadi woman, and but I am promote the English language. But that is not true. I am not promote English language. I am promote only for my native language. But my dear friend, nowadays English language every sector is stuck. You know every sector में यानी सभी क्षेत्र में आजकल इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज फंस चुकी है. So my dear friend, you are helpless. You learn English language. Okay. So that is big reason. Yes, I am only for housewife, but I have a not new skill in my life, and I have not learned new skill in my life. So I am feeling very empathy every days. I am complete my household work, and then but today I am doing the housework, but then I am free time, think about my life. I do not new achieve in my life. Then I think and I learn to English language. I started English language. But my dear friend, nowadays every people find a job. So he's not learn English language. He's have a not proper knowledge about English language. So he lost the job. But the people having English language about some knowledge, then they achieve the job. And every sector is English language is stuck. And nowadays English language become a global language. So you helpless. You learn to English language. You have any no option only for you learn English language, because you need to a job, but you achieve a job only for English basis, because you have a not English knowledge, so you do not reach achieve the job. So my dear friend, I want to tell you, you learn English language, you are helpless. So I want to tell you only for about English language. You learn English language. Nowadays, English language become a global language, and every sectors in English language. English language, other state language, and I love my native language. But you learn other language. Your development, your career. You understand Hindi language, and you a childhood time listening only for your native language, your mother tongue language. Then you find it new language learn too. It is very hard, but you facing the multiply situation in initial time. But English language not a big tragedy. In initial time, you facing multiply situation, and that is very difficult. But you want to learn English, so it is easily come out. But you learn it English language, learn take a time, and you take a patient, stay patient, and one day you will become a fluent in English language. So my dear friend, nowadays English language, every sector English language. So, my dear friend, nowadays you find a job other states. So you have getting proper knowledge English about English language. You have not proper about English language knowledge. So you lost your job. So this time it is very important learn to English language. And I am also housewife. I have not need to find a job, but I am my free time I am learning English language only for my happiness. I am learning only for English language for my happiness, because I have a lot of time. I am housewoman, then my complete housework and my free time I learn English language, and I am practice in English language every day. So I feel about me, I am learning English language day by day. So English language come in my mind gradually. Yes, I am accepted. I am not fluent in English language, but I am learning English language every day. So one day I will become a fluent speaker. I accepted and I realized. So my dear friend, if you like my video, so subscribe my channel. Bye bye.